Creating videos can be super time consuming, especially if you're like me and don't have hours to spend editing or the patience to learn complicated software. I've always wanted to turn my content into engaging videos, but the process just felt like too much work. That's when I came across Pictory. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through Pictory, an AI-based video creation software that's been a game changer for anyone looking to create videos quickly and easily. I'll be covering how it works, its features, pricing, and my experience using them. So by the end of this video, you'll have a good idea of whether Pictory is the right tool for you. And if at any point you want to give it a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description that'll help you get started. And so without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so Pictory was founded back in 2019 by a team that wanted to simplify the video creation process by using AI technology. The company's goal was to make it easy for anyone, whether you're a total beginner or an experienced creator, to turn text content or long videos into engaging high-quality videos without needing professional editing skills. They started out small, but now Pictory is used by thousands of creators worldwide, and they've built a solid reputation for their easy-to-use platform and powerful AI tools. Today, they're known for helping creators, marketers, and businesses streamline their video production and get professional results quickly. Now, using Pictory is really straightforward and designed to save you a ton of time. It all starts by uploading the content you want to turn into a video. This can be a script, blog post, or even a long-form video. From there, Pictory's AI steps in and automatically analyzes the content, picking out the main points and creating a video outline for you. Next, you get to customize your video using their drag and drop editor. You can add visuals, text overlays, music, and voiceovers from their huge library, or even upload your own media. And what makes it really easy is that the AI suggests stock images and videos to match your content, so you don't have to spend hours searching for the right clips. And after you fine-tuned everything, Pictory's AI can automatically add captions to your video, making it more accessible and engaging. And once you're happy with the final product, you just hit export, and your video will be ready to download or share across your platforms in different formats, like square, landscape, or vertical. The entire process is quick and effective, making it perfect for people who want professional-looking videos without spending hours learning complicated software. That being said, Pictory offers 4 main plans designed to fit everyone, from individual creators to large teams and enterprises. Starting with the starter plan, it's priced at $25 per month, or just under $20 when billed annually. This plan is perfect for beginners or casual creators. It includes 200 video minutes per month, access to over 2 million royalty-free videos, and 5,000 music tracks. You'll also get unlimited standard AI voices in 7 languages, 1 brand kit to customize your videos, and options for automatic subtitles. Then there's the professional plan, which is priced at around $50 per month or $40 annually, and this plan is great for creators looking for more advanced features. It comes with 600 video minutes per month, over 12 million videos from Storybox and Getty Images, and 120 minutes of 11 Labs AI voices in 29 languages. Plus, you can create up to 5 brand kits, use advanced AI tools, auto-sync uploaded voiceovers, and even summarize long videos automatically. After that, there's the Teams plan, which is priced at just under $120 monthly, or around $100 per month if billed annually, and is ideal for teams and agencies working together on video projects. This plan includes 1,800 video minutes per month, everything from the professional plan, and extra features like a shared team workspace, 10 brand kits, and API access to automate your video creation. You also get 240 minutes of 11 Labs AI voices and professional onboarding to help your team hit the ground running. Lastly, there's the enterprise plan with custom pricing, which is built for large organizations that need to scale their video production. With this plan, you can customize everything: video minutes, voiceover options, and brand kits. It also includes a dedicated success manager, priority support, and video consulting to help optimize your video strategy. Plus, all the plans come with Pictory's core features, like converting scripts and blogs into videos, editing videos using text, adding captions, and transforming long videos into highlights. And just so you know, they offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free before making a commitment. And again, if you decide to give Pictory a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description that'll help you get started. Now, what makes Pictory really stand out is its features. The platform has a variety of AI-powered tools designed to simplify the video creation process, no matter your experience level. One of these standout features is the script to video conversion. This allows you to turn a script, blog post, or any piece of text into a fully created video in just a matter of minutes. All you have to do is paste your content, and Pictory's AI will match it with visuals and text overlays that fit your message. There's also text-based video editing, which makes it really easy to edit your video by simply changing the text. You can trim sections, add captions, and even remove filler words in just a few clicks. Another useful feature is the automatic captioning and subtitles, which automatically adds accurate captions to make your videos more engaging and accessible. You can download them in different formats like SRT or VTT for use on various platforms. And if you don't have a voiceover ready, Pictory's AI voiceovers can handle it for you. You can choose from a variety of natural sounding voices in different languages, making your video sound polished and professional. On top of that, the content summarization tool is great for shortening long videos like webinars or tutorials. Pictory's AI will pull out the main highlights and create a condensed version, which is perfect for sharing on social media or creating quick recaps. And with a media library containing over 12 million stock videos and images from Getty and Storybox, along with thousands of music tracks, you'll have plenty of options to make your videos visually appealing without spending hours searching for content. Each of these features is designed to save you time and to make creating high-quality videos more accessible, making Pictory a strong choice for creators, marketers, and small business owners looking to improve their content quickly. Okay, so when I first started using Pictory, I was actually surprised by how easy it was to get the hang of everything. I didn't have to spend hours watching tutorials or figuring out complicated features. The layout is super intuitive, and I could start creating videos almost right away. I loved how the AI helps pick out relevant visuals and automatically creates captions. It really does take a lot of the hard work out of the process. But I did notice a few small issues, especially when working on longer videos. Sometimes the platform would slow down or lag, which can get a bit frustrating if you're on a tight schedule. And even though the AI voiceovers are a nice feature to have, they're not perfect, especially if you're looking for a more natural, human-sounding voice. Still, for quick projects or filler narration, they get the job done pretty well. That being said, what I really appreciate is that Pictory consistently adds new updates and features based on user feedback. It's clear that they're listening to their community and working to improve the platform. So even with a few minor bumps, I've had a really positive experience overall, and I genuinely believe it's a great option if you want to create high-quality videos without spending a ton of time or effort. So to wrap up this review, would I recommend Pictory? Honestly, yes. I think it's a solid option for anyone looking to make videos quickly and without the need for complicated software. Pictory is perfect for creators, marketers, or businesses that want professional-looking videos without having to hire a full production team. Its easy-to-use interface, automatic captioning, and large library of visuals make video creation super easy. Of course, it's not perfect. The platform can lag a bit on larger projects, and the AI voiceovers might not be as natural as you'd like, but overall, the benefits outweigh these small drawbacks, especially if you want to save time and get content out there faster. Anyway, so that's all for this review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you decide to give Pictory a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description that you can check out. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And finally guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.